Okay, so for the first question, 1A finds the equation of locus of R. So I'm going to explain this question briefly so that it won't take long time. And first of all, copy out the most important information for the question, and especially this one, RA over RB equal to 1 over 2. So in order to find the locus of R, we need to settle down this equation. So how we want to do that? We use the cross multiplication method. Then you just cross it and multiply it, so the answer will be looking like this. But this one is not complete yet. Then you have to substitute the coordinate here into this equation and use the formula of distance. So it will be looking like this. So yeah, just read it here. And in order to remove the square root, you need to square the whole equation. So the answer will be looking like this next. And then just finish the equation. You just subtract and just tambah tolak semua tu, lepas tu, and then it will be looking like this at the end. So this equation, the RB equation, you just bring it here in order to find the complete equation. So the negative will be positive, the positive will be negative. So for example, this one, 4 square minus x square, and at x plus 4x, 4y square minus y square, negative 80y plus 12y, and 404 minus 40. So it will be, the answer will be 3x squared plus 12x plus 3y squared negative minus 68y plus 364 equal to 0. So this will be the answer for this question. In some other case, we can actually simplify this equation, but in this case, we cannot simplify it. Why? Because we cannot divide 68 by 3. But if it can be divided, the answer can actually be simpler than this, but in this case it can't be. So this is the answer for the first question. The next question, we need to find the coordinates of the point on locus R that touches the y-axis. So I actually don't have the specific equipment, which is the calculator. I don't remember the name actually. But I don't have that kind of a calculator for this topic. So I'm gonna just make an assumption. So which is meaning that if the point on locus R touches the y-axis, meaning that the value of x will be 0. Why? Because it touches the y-axis, so it will be looking like this. So this is my assumption for the coordinates of the point on locus R if it touches the y-axis. So first of all, looking back at the previous answer, 3x squared plus 2x plus 3y squared minus with 60y plus 364 equal to 0. So the value of s is 0, so we just cancel the s. So the equation then would be 3y squared minus 68y plus 364 equal to 0. Okay, so we're gonna use our calculator for this question. Just use it. I hope you can see it. Use it, and then just okay, and then you just substitute the value here. 3 equal to negative 68 plus 364 equal to 14. So the first answer will be y equal to 14, and y equal to 26/3. So the answer will be y negative 14, y minus 14, 3y minus 26. So how we want to find the coordinate? We just substitute it then. So the answer will be, so meaning that if the coordinate is the y coordinate of on the y, the x-axis is 0, meaning that 0, just put it here, 14 and 0, 26/3. So this is the answer for this question.